Hey guys, so today I'm doing a little home reset, starting with the bathrooms and the girls' room. And I also have my little helper here with me. She wanted to help, so I just let her. So I started just getting everything out of the shower, and I went ahead and sprayed it down, let it sit for a while, and then I went ahead and started scrubbing. I always got to take that little part off to clean as well. I went ahead and just rinsed down the shower. After I got done with the shower, I went ahead and started on the sink. And here I was having a conversation with my daughter. She was messing with the tripod. I'm telling her to leave it. And she's so cute. I also cleaned the toilets off camera as well. I went ahead and got started on the next bathroom. Hi guys. So I clear everything out the shower, spray it down, same process as the last one. I scrubbed the tub down some more. I did the shower head and the baseboard as well. After that, we went ahead and started mopping the floors. My daughter wanted to help, so that's why I said we. She's such a good helper. Even when you don't ask her, she's like right there helping. My little Miss Independent here. So once we got done with the bathroom, I went ahead and started on the girls' room because the room needed a little TLC. It wasn't dirty. I just needed to put stuff back where they belong and vacuum and all of that. Did a little wipe down as well. Once I got done wiping down her mini chair and table, I started on the dresser / changing table. Once I got done wiping down the dresser, I realized it was getting late and my husband and I needed to put the girls to sleep. So I had to stop and pick it up back the next day. So I'm here taking out all that because my baby, she doesn't sleep in her crib as yet. So I just put everything in there, but she do take naps in there. I was just getting laundry ready to put some load in the washer, and I'm separating their towel and sheets because I wash those separately. So that's what I'm doing here. I feel like I do laundry every other day. I don't know why. But if you're a mom of one or two, like how often do you do laundry? Because I feel like I do mine every other day. That's just crazy. I got that little set from Target because this bathroom needed one, so we got that. And here am I showing y'all the finish touches in the mirror right there. I hope this video give you guys a little motivation to just get up and clean something that you've been putting off to clean or whatever it is. But thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoy. Subscribe to the channel, like. Okay, bye.